These vipers have another notable feature. In the late summer, females give birth to up to 10 live young. Unlike other snakes, they don't lay eggs. Offspring are born in a transparent skin that they quickly break out from. Soon after that, they slough their own skin for the first time. Occasionally, young horned vipers are born so late in the season that they immediately enter hibernation without even eating. For 5 or 6 months of the year, the vipers hibernate deep in the rocks, protected from the freezing cold outside. Reptiles spend the winters in nests they share with other species. Slow worms join the horned vipers, as does a toad.